In the last video, we discussed strategies that turn interested customers into paying customers. In this video, we'll discuss strategies to turn those paying customers into loyal repeat customers. During the loyalty stage in the marketing funnel, customers become repeat customers and brand advocates. Ideally, they become the voices of the brand. Maybe they talk about how great the product is to family and friends. Maybe they make a social media post and share their experience with hundreds of friends. Or maybe they go from being reminded to purchase the service to actively seeking out the service. With the digital tools now available, it's never been easier to get customers into loyal brand followers. At this stage in the funnel, you've already earned the paying customer. None of the following strategies are necessary. However, implementing these strategies will lead to repeat customers and increased conversion rate or conversion value. Plus, you may get loyal customers to promote the product or service and be a voice of the brand. That's free marketing. Now let's go over the post-purchase strategies and tactics to increase loyalty among customers. Reward programs incentivize customers to keep coming back to the business. We experience rewards programs on food apps like Starbucks, Chipotle, and McDonald's. Many point-of-sale or POS systems now offer reward programs built into their software. Now, a POS system accepts payments from customers and manages their information. Email marketing keeps your brand in front of the customer on a consistent basis. Remember to always craft emails that provide value to the customer. If not, they may unsubscribe. To build loyalty, consider educating your customers or tell the story of the brand. Social shares are when customers share your product or service to their social media followers. It's important to first encourage customers to follow the business's social media accounts. Then, you have to deliver content that they may want to share to their followers. Consider remarketing to paying customers with new ads. While we mentioned ad remarketing in a previous stage of the funnel, you can use it again to re-engage customers. And once you know what product the customer purchased, you can recommend another product or add-ons to the current product. Another way to earn loyalty in a customer is to encourage them to leave a positive review. If a customer has a positive experience with the business, encourage them to write about their experience. The review could be online, such as on a social media account or simply through an email. These positive reviews can be posted as content on the business website, such as a social media page and through email marketing. The thing is, many people love to be recognized on their birthday. Consider offering a discount for your customers' birthdays. You could also provide a discount on the anniversary of the first day they became a customer. Freebies are a way to get customers reminded of the brand over and over again. Freebies could be a sticker, a magnet, a t-shirt, or something related to the business. Like, for example, I recently bought a pillow, and included with that product, I received a complimentary branded sleep mask. Honestly, I thought it was pretty cool. And our last strategy is amusing confirmation messages. When a customer purchases a product, they often receive a confirmation email or a text. Often, those messages are standard and transactional. If appropriate for the brand, why not just make them interesting? Add personality to the confirmation message by writing it in a way that makes the customer excited about receiving the product or service. Using descriptive language, tell them how they'll feel when they'll receive the new product. By really utilizing these strategies, hopefully you can turn customers into loyal fans. You'll keep them purchasing more products and services, and ideally, the loyal customers will tell their friends and family about the business too.